Hello guys, Sergio here at Enginetech. Just want to say thank you for your business and happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you all for shopping here at Enginetech. We really appreciate the support you guys give us and the business that y'all bring to here to our company.
Hey, it's Jacob here. Just wanted to say thank you to each and every one of you. You are truly appreciated, and we couldn't do this without you.
Hey guys, Jason here with Enginetech. Just wanted to thank you so much for your business and your support with us each and every day. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday.
Thank you. Just want to let you know that we do appreciate everything y'all do for us day in, day out.
Hey, this is Iris. Thank you for all the business and thank you for sticking with us even through the rough times. Have a good one.
Thank you very much. My name is Tony Gaona, Team Leader of Sales. I want to thank you for everything, the business we've done this year and also for the future business. Have a great 2023.